Good morning, MoreFM local news for Thursday the 28th of September. The Masterton District Council is about to review its dog policy and would like to hear your thoughts. Over the next couple of weeks, staff will be talking within the community about dog control in the district. Meanwhile, the South Wairarapa Council have underway consultation for community groups' use and access to parks and reserves, and Carleton are looking at their urban growth strategy. A man has lost control of his car on Roberts Road in Masterton yesterday morning, taking out a power pole just before 7:30am. The man was an unlicensed driver and had previously been forbidden to drive. The Kokomai Creative Festival are looking for keen volunteers who wish to be part of this year's festival. Anyone who is keen on being part of it can contact Emma via the Kokomai website, kokomai.co.nz. And the South Wairarapa Social Teams football tournament is all go for Saturday, set down for Howard Booth Park. The first game kicks off at 1:30.